So we've added another nice sort of improvement, I would say, by request of one of our uh, fellow developers. Um, Whenever you create a field, you always have to, once you select the field type, well, let's say list, or let's make it text for now, just the text field. You could set up the properties as usual, remove whatever values you don't want, and then you need to set the database values every time. Although you might be using the same database set of values for specific type of fields, field types, you need to set them every time, which is which is a little bit cumbersome. So we added a new feature. It's not active by default, so that's because we want you to know that it does that. So it's like we want you to set it. In doing so, you will set it the way it works for you, which means you still need to know a little bit of how the database values to be stored. Well, for example, number, it could be most unlikely that it's not an integer. So we could say integer 11 and leave the rest like that and save. So now we basically have the default database value for number set. If we next time open a new field, and select number, it will automatically add that as the database values. You could of course still change them to maybe a larger integer or whatever is appropriate for your purpose at this stage then, but it helps you, sort of gives you that little bit of continual use of already decided values regarding a database for this specific field type. Okay, so that's just a quick demonstration. I'm sure that there's not really much to it. You can now go through your field types and choose, for example, okay, telephone. You're always gonna use a varchar, maybe 64, and yeah, set that up. And so you could go on, or we could set text also to varchar to 255, and yeah, that could also just be like that. And so you could set a lot of default database values for your fields. Well, enjoy. Thanks for watching.